What we're going to do today is we're going to look at 3 examples of how to use BIDMAS when you're doing sums. This first example, 3 plus 6 multiplied by 7, what I want you to do is first of all just get used to the idea of dropping a line and moving a little bit to the left to write your equals sign. Now the temptation is to read this from left to right and do the 3 plus 6, but as we saw in a previous class, that would go against the rule of BIDMAS. This multiplication is more important than the addition. So we concentrate on the multiplication, 6 times 7. We work out that that is 42, and we put that 42 straight underneath the 6 times 7 that it came from. We do not pull it to the front of the line. Instead, the 3 and the plus, they drop straight down underneath where they originally were. If you wish, you can put a little line to indicate which bit of the sum you're focusing on first. Some people find that helpful. 3 add 42, of course, is 45. Another equals sign straight underneath the first one equals 45, and we're finished. Another example. 8 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4. Now, we've got a division, an addition, and a multiplication. Now, as I described to you previously, the division and the multiplication, although the D is mentioned before the M, they're equally important. So what we can do here, we can work out these two sums. 8 divided by 2 is exactly 4. 3 times 4 is exactly 12. And then we can copy the plus down in between. We must remember to put that equals sign on the left. Again, equals on the left, 16. Apologies for the poor writing. 16. There we go. Okay, one last example. 12 take, and then a bracket, 6 take 2, times 2. Get the equals in the right place. Now, BIDMAS. The bracket, or the contents of the bracket, is the most important thing. And 6 take away 2, of course, is 4. Goes straight underneath. The 12 drops down, the minus drops down, the times 2 also drops down. Now, 12 take 4 times 2. Multiplication is more important than subtraction. So we get 8. And the 12 drops down yet again. We don't use that 12 until right at the end, even though it's on the front of the line. 12 take 8 is 4. Now you must remember to use these rules. If you start doing things in a different order, then you'll just get things wrong. Also, I want you to get used to setting them out in this way. The equals down the left and a new equals on every new line that you need. Notice, if we just go back to the beginning, we couldn't tell in advance how many lines of working it would take. These both took 3 lines of working. This one took 4 lines of working. So don't try to imagine that it should take a certain number of lines. It just takes the space that it needs to take. Thank you.